Stop by and take a look at the 2023 KONA. The Hyundai KONA provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.